Hello folks, Pete Hurst here with another We Care moment, and I'm so happy to have today with us Dr. Karen Sturtevant with 911 Restoration of the Virginia Peninsula. That's a mouthful, and they do a big work as well. Karen, tell me about your business. You say you're restoration, but
Yes.
Are you restoring old homes? What kind of restoration are you
Absolutely
doing?
not. We do not restore old homes. But I can tell you what we specialize in. So we concentrate mostly in fire damage, water damage, mold, and sewage. And so you want me to focus a little bit on the water damage?
Sure, whatever.
So water damage is very important, and people just want to get the water cleaned up and call it a day. Well, necessarily it doesn't work like that. So what we do is we go extract the water, but we also treat it so you won't get mold as well. So also with water damage, it can cause some sewage backup. So the sewage can get under your home, cause lots of damage, also causes mold, but also that nasty bacteria that can make your household sick. So not only do we treat the water, we treat the mold, we also treat the space inside the home and under the home to prevent any sicknesses or viruses that you and your family might get in contact to because of the damage.
Okay, and the same thing with smoke damage, you are able to treat all that as
Yes, fire and smoke damage is pretty big. We usually treat a lot of residential areas. So not only do we clean up the fire damage, and we also treat that with chemicals. We're also eco-friendly. We also try to take care of the smell, the ventilation within the home. And sometimes with fire damage, of course, drywall has to be done. We have to do tear outs of the carpet. So those are pretty big jobs. So not only do we treat what the damage has done to the home, we also take preventative care to make sure that everything is in the right spot. No hazardous materials or chemicals are in the home that can potentially harm your family later on down the road.
well? Okay, all right, sounds like y'all got it covered. And
We
it's
do
a
have
bunch
it
of
covered.
stuff. Okay, all right, great. All right, so thank you very much, Karen, for being with us. And Karen, like Brenda and myself, works by referral. So if you know of anyone who can appreciate our services, Brenda and I very much appreciate you keeping us in mind for anyone thinking about buying or selling a home right now. We appreciate your referrals, and we're never too busy for your referrals. Thank you, and have a great day.
Thank you.